Hey guys, what's good? I'm Keith and I'm going to show you how to make your phone play music louder by making a homemade speaker out of an empty paper towel roll. To start, just put some pins in the back of your empty roll so it doesn't fall over. Then cut a little space to fit your phone in nice and snug. And just like that, you've got homemade speakers for your phone. Basically, sound travels in waves, and when it leaves your phone, it is traveling in many different directions. This hack helps to compress the sound waves and make them all travel together in the same direction. This means the sound will be stronger and louder when it reaches your ear. You can also use cups or even empty chip cans. And to amp it up even more, try adding cups to each end of the empty roll. And that's the juice.